Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dirty Max LML. Today we're going to be talking about ceramic coatings. And yes, we just got the truck back from Excel Auto Detailing in Lompoc, California. They did a fantastic job and this truck looks amazing right now. Now I don't know if you guys just stumbled on this video or typed in ceramic coatings or typed in Ceramic Pro, and if you guys have done any research, you guys know that Ceramic Pro is one of the top dogs in the industry as far as ceramic coatings go right now. We just happen to be so lucky to have a Ceramic Pro authorized detailer in the city of Lompoc, California, so we took advantage of that. Now it seems like ceramic coatings are becoming a lot more well known. I think the days of waxing your vehicle are pretty much going to be gone once they realize the benefits of ceramic coating and how well your vehicle looks with the ceramic coating on. And not only how good it looks, but I think it's going to be more so than anything the longevity. A wax job doesn't really last that long. Ceramic coatings, they last years, and in fact this particular coating that I got, which was the silver package, is supposed to last about 5 years, and that 5 years is not just what they're saying, it's also a 5-year warranty on that as well. That being said, ceramic coatings are a game changer. This is going to change the industry of auto detailing, I believe. So I'm very fortunate and I'm really excited to see how long this ceramic coating is actually going to last, and that's what I'm going to end up sharing with you guys over time. But I think you guys will be really amazed the hydrophobic qualities of this ceramic coating, and we're about to check that out here in just a few minutes. We're going to be pouring some water on the truck so that you guys can see how it beads up, and I'd also like to see in the future how this beads up a year from now, 2 years from now. As you guys know, I've had some really bad luck with car washes. My gosh, I can't go back to a car wash ever again. Now this ceramic coating is going to make it a lot easier for regular maintenance, just washing the truck. I could throw some foam on there, hit it with the pressure washer. A lot of the dirt and grime is just going to fall off a lot easier than it would have previously. And not only did they do the truck, but they also did the rims. The rims also has the ceramic coating on there, so a lot of the brake dust is going to come off really easily. Alright, let's take a look at the brochure. Now this is the brochure. This is what the Ceramic Pro looks like in bottle form. Also in the brochure there is multiple different packages that you can choose from. Basically depending on what you can afford, because ceramic coating is not cheap. I don't know if you guys have called around or figured out how much it's going to cost, but for the cost factor I went with the silver package, which has a 5-year warranty. For the price that I did pay, if I do get 5 years out of this, I'll be really happy. Now if you guys live in the Tri-County or in the 5 cities or anywhere within driving distance of Lompoc, California, I definitely highly recommend you checking out Excel Auto Detailing and talk to Steven. Give him a call. He's been doing detailing for a long time. He knows the ins, the outs. Give him a call at 805-588-8273 and let him know that Dirty Max LML sent you. Alright guys, this ceramic coating looks so amazing. The high gloss, it looks awesome. Let's pour some water on here and see how this works. Now this is what I wanted to see. This water is repelling really nicely. This is what we're paying for, to make it look nice, easy to wash. You're protecting your investment. This is worth the money right here, guys. Well, I guess the question is Ceramic Pro going to last me 5 years? And that's what we're going to have to find out. So I'd like to do an update video in 1 year, and we're going to see how the Ceramic Pro is holding up. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see an update to this video in the future, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.